Emotions are something we should always have control on. One step taken in a wrong emotion can forever change our lives and fill them with regrets. This is what happened with me. Till date, that one step I took sends chills down my spine. It was the day that changed my life forever. All I think now is wish that day never took place. Wish someone was there to stop me. Wish I was not a murderer. So many emotions, full of anger and disgust, still run through my body. It is said that those who have the real parents are lucky. But I was lucky as well because I found a parent who loved me like his own child.
Oh, my dear Sahil, don't cry.
And the day finally came. At that time, I was 18 years old, fully enthusiastic to go to college, make new friends, and start a new life. But who knew that at this point my life will change forever?
Dad, I'm leaving.
All set, ready to go?
Yes, Dad. All set to begin a new phase in my life.
Just remember, son, everything lies on you.
I leave now. Take care. Bye.
Bye, son.
Bye, Dad.
Hey Sahil, where are you? Come soon, I'm waiting for you. You know now it's my birthday next month. And my phone screen is also damaged. Can you buy me a new one, please?
Don't worry, I'll repair it.
No, I need a new one with latest features.
Okay, I'll manage.
Hello, son. How are you?
Hello, Dad, I'm fine. Dad, actually, I need some money to pay for my college dues.
Okay, I'll send it to you tomorrow. Bye.
Listen, Sahil, I need a new outfit. My friend is hosting a party this week. Let's go shopping.
Okay, don't worry, I'll manage.
Hello, son. How are you?
Hi, Dad. Dad, actually, I need some money to pay for my college expenses.
How much?
Around 40,000.
40,000. Okay, I'll send it to you by tomorrow.
Hey Sahil,
Hey,
listen, Priyanka got a new vehicle and I really like it.
so?
Will you buy one for me?
Okay, I'll see. But it's difficult this time.
Please try.
Yes, sure.
Dad, I need 1 lakh anyhow.
Are you crazy? Do you know your demands have elevated so much? Don't call me for money again. Bye.
Hey, what about the vehicle?
Look, Janvi, I can't buy you a vehicle this time.
Why?
Because I've spent enough on you. I don't have a single penny right now.
Look, things are not working between us. Don't call me again. Bye.
What have you done? Who are you? I've killed my father too. You're worried about her? Let me call the police.
Happiness, anger, disgust. The 3 significant downfalls of my life. Most importantly, anger. It doesn't solve anything. It builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. Life would have been so different if this anger never existed. I wouldn't have killed my father, the man who always had my back, who treated me like his own child, despite I wasn't his blood, the man who sacrificed everything for me, the man who gave me a new life. And what did I do? I proved him wrong. I proved that he became my father, but I could never be his son.